Have you ever thought about selling properties? A simple question, but one that opens the door to a world bursting with opportunities. Selling properties can be a rewarding venture, offering financial benefits and a sense of achievement. However, the process can seem complex and daunting. This video aims to simplify the process, breaking it down into manageable, easy-to-understand steps. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner just dipping your toes in, this guide is for you. Dive in and let's demystify the process of selling properties. Firstly, understanding the real estate market is crucial. This isn't just a casual statement, it's the cornerstone of your journey into property selling. Imagine the real estate market as a vast dynamic ocean. It ebbs and flows, shaped by countless factors from economic trends to the changing seasons. Just as a seasoned sailor reads the sea, you too need to learn to navigate this ocean of opportunities. Start with getting a grasp of property values. The price tag of a property isn't just a number, it's a story that tells of its location, its history, and its potential. Is it a charming cottage in the countryside or a modern loft in the heart of the city? Each has its own appeal and its own price. So, dig deep into property listings, real estate websites, and public records to understand how these factors influence property values. Next, let's talk about buyer demographics. Who are the people buying properties? Are they young professionals looking for a convenient city pad, or perhaps retirees searching for a peaceful haven? Knowing your potential buyers helps you tailor your selling strategies and find the perfect match for your properties. Now, on to market trends. Just as fashion trends dictate what's hot and what's not, market trends can guide your property selling decisions. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? Are eco-friendly homes the rage, or are buyers leaning towards smart homes? Keeping an eye on these trends will not only keep you ahead of the curve, but also ensure your properties are always in demand. Lastly, gathering all this information may seem daunting, but it's not a solo mission. Collaborate with real estate agents, use online resources, attend local real estate events, and be a part of online forums. The more you immerse yourself, the more you'll understand. Knowledge of the market is your first step towards successful property selling. It's the key that unlocks the door to opportunities, the compass that guides your journey, and the foundation upon which you'll build your property selling empire. Scene script. Next, prepare your property for the market. One of the most critical steps in selling your property is preparing it to make a fantastic first impression. This process involves several tasks that, when done correctly, can significantly enhance your property's appeal to potential buyers. Let's start with cleaning. It's as simple as it sounds, yet it's often overlooked. A thorough cleaning can make a world of difference. It's not just about sweeping the floors and dusting the shelves. It's about paying attention to every nook and cranny, making sure that your property shines. Clean properties convey a sense of care and maintenance, which can be quite attractive to buyers. Repairs are next on the list. Fix that leaky faucet, replace the broken tiles, and give a fresh coat of paint where necessary. Remember, small issues can be big turn-offs for buyers. By addressing these problems up front, you prevent potential buyers from subtracting repair costs from their offers. Now let's talk about staging. Staging is the art of presenting your property in the best possible light. It involves arranging furniture and decor in a way that accentuates the property's strong points and minimizes its weaknesses. A well-staged property can help buyers visualize themselves living in the space and can significantly boost the property's appeal. Finally, consider hiring a professional photographer. While it might seem like an unnecessary expense, professional photos can make your property stand out in listings. Good photography showcases your property's best features and gives potential buyers a sense of what it's like to live in the property. So to wrap it up, preparing your property for sale involves cleaning, making necessary repairs, staging, and professional photography. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in enhancing your property's appeal and attracting potential buyers. It may seem like a lot of work, but the payoff can be substantial. A well-prepared property can significantly increase your chances of a successful sale. Now let's talk about pricing your property. Determining the right price for your property can be a bit of a balancing act. You want to set a price that reflects the true value of the property, but also one that will attract potential buyers. So how do you strike that balance? First, you need to consider the current market conditions. Are we in a buyer's market where there are more homes for sale than there are buyers, or is it a seller's market where buyers are competing for a limited number of homes? In a buyer's market, you might need to price your property more competitively to attract attention. But in a seller's market, you may be able to price your property a bit higher. Next, take a look at comparable properties in your area. What are they selling for? This can give you a ballpark figure to start with. But remember, no two properties are exactly alike. Your property may have features or upgrades that others don't, which could justify a higher price. Also, consider the condition of your property. A well-maintained home with recent upgrades will command a higher price than a home that needs a lot of work. So take into account any renovations or improvements you've made to the property when setting your price. But be cautious. Overpricing your property can deter potential buyers, causing your property to sit on the market for longer than necessary. On the flip side, underpricing your property could mean leaving money on the table that you could have otherwise pocketed. So do your research, be realistic, and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Remember, the goal is to find that sweet spot where the price is right for both you and potential buyers. And don't forget, you don't have to do this alone. Real estate professionals have the expertise and resources to help you price your property accurately. They can provide a comprehensive market analysis and guide you through the pricing process. Correct pricing can make or break your property sale, so don't rush the process. Take your time, do your homework, and make sure you're pricing your property right. Once your property is ready and priced right, it's time to market it. Marketing a property is not merely about listing it for sale. It's about strategically positioning it in the market to attract the right buyers. This involves a combination of different strategies, each with its own strengths. Online listings are the digital age's answer to traditional classifieds. They allow you to reach a wide audience, showcasing your property with high-quality photos and a compelling description. Remember, your listing should highlight the unique features of your property and the benefits it offers to potential buyers. It's not only about square footage and the number of bedrooms, it's also about the lifestyle your property can provide. Traditional advertising, though considered old school by some, still holds value. This includes newspaper ads, flyers, and even billboards. These methods can still reach a significant audience, especially among those who are not as tech-savvy. They can be particularly effective for properties in local neighborhoods where residents may have friends or family looking to move into the area. Open houses are another valuable tool in your marketing arsenal. They offer potential buyers the opportunity to experience the property firsthand. It's not just about seeing, but feeling the space, imagining their life within its walls. Open houses can create an emotional connection that virtual methods may not be able to replicate. Speaking of virtual, let's talk about virtual tours. These are becoming increasingly popular, especially in light of recent global events. A well-executed virtual tour can give potential buyers a comprehensive view of the property, allowing them to explore it at their convenience, regardless of their geographical location. Choosing the right strategies depends on your property and your target buyers. If your property is a modern city apartment, online listings and virtual tours may be more effective. If it's a charming suburban house, traditional advertising and open houses could yield better results. The key is to understand your property's strengths and the preferences of your potential buyers. Effective marketing can attract more potential buyers and expedite the selling process. With the right strategies, your property can stand out in the market, drawing in the right buyers and leading to a successful sale. Finally, you've got a buyer interested. Now it's time to close the sale. The closing process involves a few crucial steps that are paramount to successfully selling your property. Let's delve into these. First up, we have negotiations. Negotiations are a dance, a back and forth between you and the buyer to agree on a price that both parties find acceptable. It's a delicate balance. You don't want to undersell, but you also don't want to scare off your potential buyer. Next comes the contract. This is where professionals such as real estate agents and lawyers step in. They ensure that all the I's are dotted and T's are crossed, making sure that both parties' interests are protected. It's a document that outlines the terms and conditions of the sale, and both parties must sign it. Then we move on to inspections. These are performed by certified inspectors who assess the property for any potential issues or repairs that might be needed. It's a crucial step to ensure the buyer knows exactly what they're getting into and to avoid any unpleasant surprises down the line. Finally, we reach the closing procedures. This is where all the paperwork is finalized, the keys are handed over, and the property officially changes hands. It's the culmination of all your hard work, and it's as thrilling as it is satisfying. With a successful closing, you've completed your property sale. So there you have it, the process of selling properties broken down into easy steps. We've journeyed through understanding the market, preparing your property to wow potential buyers, pricing it accurately, marketing it effectively, and finally closing the sale. Each step is crucial, and each one builds upon the last. This comprehensive guide has given you a solid foundation to start your property selling journey. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to venture into the world of property selling. Good luck.